Hello. Today, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. Let's see how to do it. First, open your Instagram app. On the right bottom side, click on the profile icon. Now click on the right top side 3 lines icon. Here click on Settings and Privacy. Click on the first option Accounts Center. Click on the second option Personal Details. Click on the last option Account Ownership and Control. Click on this option. Here is your account. Click on it. Here are 2 options. In our case, we are deleting our account, so we will click on the second option. And click on the below Continue button. Further, there will be a few simple steps. Just follow them and your account will be permanently deleted. Surely this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others. Thanks for watching.